What's up guys, welcome to Lativa's Python tutorial. In this time I will show you guys nested for loop. At first, let's see the construction of nested for loop. For example, we put the for variable in sequence and colon marks, and another for loop inside, and body of for loop. And don't forget put the indentation with it. Alright, let's take a look at the flow control and how does nested for loop work. At first, the program will execute the for loop A with variable 1 outside, and it will go on to execute the variable 1 of for loop B inside, and variable 2 and variable 3. And it will go on to execute the variable 2 of for loop A outside, and execute the variable 1 of for loop B inside, and variable 2 and variable 3. And it will go on to execute the for loop A outside with variable 3, and execute the for loop B inside with variable 1, variable 2 and variable 3. Alright, this is the flow control of nested for loop. Let's demonstrate it. At first, for example, we set a for I in range 1 to 10, and we set another for loop inside for j in range 1 to 10, and result equals I multiplied by j, and we print I multiplied by j equals result, and end space, and we print extend a new line. Alright, let's execute it. We get a iterate 1 multiplied by 1 to 9 multiplied by 9. And then we set a for I in range 1 to 10. And we set another for loop inside for j in range 1 to 10. If j smaller than I, and we print A, and then space, and we print it provide extend a new line, and we execute it. Alright, as you can see, we get a triangle by drawing two alphabet A. It is very simple, right? Today we have talked about what is nested for loop and how to use it. If you like this video, please give thumbs up, share this video and subscribe. See you next time.